Jai Hind everyone. Module 2 of chapter Networking Concepts. Networking media. Data can be transmitted from one location to another by using wires or without the use of wires. Wired networking technology. Ethernet cables. An Ethernet cable is one of the most popular form of network cable used in wired networks. This cable resembles a phone cable but is larger than the phone cable and has 8 wires. Ethernet cables connect various devices such as PCs, routers, and switches within a local area network. The advantage of these cables is that they have less power consumption, but the drawback with this cable is that the computer require an Ethernet adapter card on the motherboard to connect the Ethernet cable. These cables also have their limitations, both in the distance that they can stretch without the losing signal qualities and their durabilities. There are mainly two types of Ethernet cable. Crossover cable. It is basically designed for connecting two computers without a hub or router. Straight through cable. This type of cable has got both its ends identical to each other. It is used to connect a computer to a router or a switch. Coaxial cable. A coaxial cable is used in the transmission of the video, communication signal and audio. It is mainly used by the cable television industry to connect TVs to a cable TV service. However, this cable can also be used in network and has high bandwidth and greater transmission capacity. A coaxial cable consists of central copper wire surrounded by insulation and then a sealed off braided wire. It is relatively inexpensive and can transmit data at higher rates. It also provides better protection against electromagnetic disturbance. The only disadvantage associated with coaxial cable is its high installation and maintenance cost. The two main types of coaxial cables are baseband coaxial cable. It supports quick transmission of a single signal at a time. It is mainly used for LANs. Broadband coaxial cable. It transmits multiple signals at a time and is used for longer distances. Optical fiber cable. Fiber optics is a popular technology that has a larger capacity to transfer data at a very high speed. A fiber optic cable consists of a central glass core containing a bundle of glass threads surrounded by several layers of protective material. The glass threads are capable of transmitting data converted into light signal at extremely high speed. A fiber optical cable is highly resistant to signal interferences and provide better data transmission by providing high bandwidth. Presently, a fiber optical cable is a popular technology for local area networks. But in the future, almost all communication will employ fiber optic. However, it is a fragile and maintenance cost is high.